Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into how data engineering is literally teaching machines to speak. Imagine cruising on your TVS Jupiter scooter. Suddenly, you hear a nasty engine knock. We've all been there.
That's the old way, fixing things after they break. But the cloud offers a totally different approach.
So what if your scooter could actually warn you it was sick, right before it broke down?
Enter IoT sensors. Think of these like digital nerve endings, constantly collecting live data from physical machines.
They act just like a smart fitness watch, continuously monitoring vitals, like engine heat, vibration, and fuel flow.
Let's see how this built. Those vitals stream live into the cloud through high-speed pipelines like PubSub.
Now here's the real magic, Predictive Analytics. It uses machine learning to constantly analyze those live data streams. The algorithm instantly pattern matches your scooter's live vibrations against millions of historical failure records. It's incredibly fast.
If it hits a known pattern, boom, it triggers a critical system alert 48 hours in advance.
The crazy result? The mechanic actually calls you to bring the scooter in before you even notice. This proactive approach saves companies literally millions of dollars by completely avoiding unexpected, super costly downtime.
So the crucial point is this massive shift. We're moving from a break fix to a predictive prevention world.
And this brilliantly illustrates how giving machines a voice empowers us to prevent failures entirely.
If every machine can warn us before breaking, what does a world without breakdowns actually look like?